After firstly securing the wall bracket to a suitable position, you can begin assembling the heater components. Begin by connecting the supplied hose to the gas inlet fitting. Firmly tighten using 2 spanners. We then check for gas leaks by connecting a compressed air line at half psi. Using soapy water or a leak detection spray, test the gas fitting. If any signs of leaks are detected, tighten the fitting and then retest. Next, we pass the wiring harness through the top of the mounting bracket, followed by the hose. Using the supplied bolts and washers, securely fasten the mounting arm onto the heater. Using a spanner, tighten all 4 of the connecting bolts. Attach the heater assembly to the wall bracket. Ensure that the gas hose and wiring harness slide through the groove. Position the heater and hose, ensuring the gas hose fittings are in alignment. Ensure the hose nut and valve fitting are correctly aligned and threads are engaged correctly before tightening. Position the mounting arm and insert the pivot bolt with flat and spring washers through mounting arm and mounting bracket. Select desired heater angle and insert and tighten the mounting screw. With the Honeywell unit, which is situated within the wall bracket, the white ionization probe cable will connect into the larger spade, which is situated furthest away from you. The black ignition cable will plug into the smaller spade closest to you. It is recommended that you use needle nose pliers to access the spades easier. Plug in the white ionization cable first, which you will feel slide into place when located properly. We then plug in the black ignition cable. The green earth wire can then be plugged into one of the 2 available spades at the top of the unit. The gas supply can now be connected to the unit, and the fitting tightened. Remove the protective covering from the Smart Heat unit. To test the pressure, unscrew the outlet pressure test point, the lower of the 2, and attach a digital manometer. The unit can now be plugged into a power socket and turned on. Ensure the gas valve is open on the LPG bottles for gas models. The tiles should begin to glow evenly. The regulator must now be adjusted. Unscrew and remove the regulator cover and adjust the pressure by turning the regulator screw clockwise to increase the pressure and anti-clockwise to reduce the pressure. The pressure should be set for appropriate gas type in accordance with your country's specific pressure requirements, as stated in the instruction book provided with the heater. Turn off the unit and replace regulator cover. Remove the manometer hose and replace the test point screw. Restart the heater and allow to run for 10 minutes to ensure that the heater is operating correctly. Conduct a leak test of all gas fittings, including a retest of the fitting of the rear of the heater via the access plug. Switch off the heater and replace wall bracket cover. Affix with the 8 screws provided.